using your electronic e-library and databases using EBSCO. Like, for example, let's say this is the culture and happiness, and on the right hand side you want to use the tabs to cite the source. The fourth one is the one for the citation, and once you choose that, you can scroll down to the references that are APA formatted. You can highlight it, copy it, and then open a Word document. You can paste, and then we're going to format that. First, to no color, and again, do it one step at a time, one line at a time, to no color. Next step is to highlight it, double space it, and you can do that in the paragraph. And you can do double line spacing, and you do it as hanging. The format has to be, the font has to be 12, and the theme should be Times New. And this is how you create your reference list that at the end, as you start adding it, would look like something like that. One important point is also to make sure that you have it in alphabetical order. So you highlight all of the words that you have, you go to home, and you do sort ascending, and should be by paragraph and text.